Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Stanley FATMAX utility knife. Now, first impressions is that it's nice and sturdy in your hand. It's very easy to open. No safety pins to press. It just folds out and then it's just securely in place like that. Now you do see on the back here there is a belt clip, so you can clip it onto your belt. Now how do you get it back closed? See this little bar here? You need to press that. You see that? Press and then fold it back within itself. Unless that's pressed down, it won't fold back within itself. Now it does feel sturdy in the hand. There's a little grip here, so when you're using it, it's nice and grippy. As I say, nice Stanley knife. Very easy to add a blade. Does not come with a blade. Just add your blade. And you need to press this little button. It's a little bit fiddly compared to others. Get that button pressed. Like that. There you go. It's in place. You need to press that button. And that button is a little fiddly to press. And it needs to be in the forward position like that. And then you can retract the blade. So you can put it away. Like that. Now I do think it's a good quality knife, despite the little fiddly red button what you need to release. So we press it like that and it will release the blade. Another feature you might see, you want to pull this back here, this little red button here, and this will expose a place underneath where there is some Stanley knives stored. You get an extra 3, so you get 4 in total under the handle. And you'll be able to store your blades in there. So let's take one out, take this out. So you pull that up, get your blade, and you'll be able to store them in there. Now these have got a cellophane wrapper on. You can see the metal there sticks. You'll be able to store 3 blades down there like that. I do recommend this Stanley knife. This is nice and grippy here. There's a link in the description where you can buy it cheaply. Apart from the little red button, I've got no complaints about the Stanley FATMAX utility knife. Well worth having in your toolbox if it's something you're looking at. So hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.